Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Basel World 2018. This is the new updated Rolex Deepsea. The Deepsea, of course, is not a brand new watch, but for 2018, Rolex has created a few new upgrades. One of the most important things, in addition to the movement, which is a 3235, an existing movement, but new movement for the Deepsea, is the overall case construction and the bracelet. The bracelet is wider now, which makes it more symmetrical as compared to the old version. And like I said, Rolex uses some new techniques to produce the watch. Quite thick. This is the biggest watch that Rolex makes, 44 millimeters wide. And this, of course, is the deepest diving watch that they have. You can see it on the wrist, and like I said, it's a lot more proportionate now. Lots of little updates on the dial. The hour markers are slightly different. Lots of little things, even though it has that same familiar look. You can see the dial of this one. This is that two-tone blue and black, and it goes from a gradient from a lighter blue to a black. And the green-colored Deepsea, this was known as the James Cameron one, and we talk more about that in our article about that. Rolex, of course, is also producing this in the traditional black color, which is what most Deepseas have been, but this two-tone gradient one is actually proven quite popular. Excellent proportions. They did a very good job. This is a niche Rolex product, but it's definitely exciting for people that want the largest dive watch or sport watch that Rolex makes. Price for this Rolex Deepsea reference 126660 is 12,000 Swiss francs, and you can see the full review on aBlogtoWatch. And there's the back.